Good morning, students. Welcome back in this computer application session. I hope all are okay. Fine. So let us start today's session. Again with the looping statement. Last class we had started for loop. We'll continue. We'll try to see more about for loop. We'll try to get the better operations related to for loop. Anushka Singh. Okay. So let us start again. See, suppose you are to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I write a program using for loop. Integer I equal to 1, 5, I plus plus. Now in this program, we will try to understand how many options we can skip, or a different way how we can write the program. Kriti, you have some doubt? Kriti.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, please allow us to rename.
Rename, I think I have allowed.
No, sir, option is not shown.
From here it is allowed from my side.
But in our phone, it is not giving the option to rename.
Rename themselves. Again.
Thank you, sir.
So see, when we are writing program using for loop, few points that you need to always keep in mind. This is private declaration of for loop variable. Understand each word. This is the data type and this is the variable name. Variable name. The private variable of for loop. Now if you declare this variable here and you try to print the system.out.print I outside, means you try to use this outside of the loop. So may possible your error message will be there. I might have not been declared. So what to do here? If you want to get rid from this problem, so what will you do? You will not write it like this. You will what do? Before the for loop, you will declare this variable as I. This. Then you will initialize, you will go with it. Second option. This is the statement where you can also use plus I. If normal increment is there, 1, 1, 1, or I plus any of them can be written. There will be no problem in your program, but increment or decrement should be according to 1, 1, 1, 1 like that, or minus. If minus is there, decrement is there, so you can do this. You can do. So any of the option, either increment or decrement, you can apply this with one step, not more than one, with one step. What happened, bhai? All have why switched off their videos? Is there any problem? Okay, many of you are not still on their videos. See, these are few points.
पिघलेगा तो वो बहते रहेगा पानी इतना हो गर्मी आ जाए गर्मी के दिन में
Please allow your audio is off, otherwise some background sound is coming. That is looking awkward. Okay. Now you will see, if I ask a question, simple question for this loop, how many times this loop will execute? Your answer will be 5 times. Yes or no? This loop will start with 1, will go up to 5, 1 times. So it will execute total how many times? 5 times. Now you see carefully. If I am writing here system.out.print LFS, how many times it will be printed? 5 times. No doubt. If I am writing system.out.print RPT, system.out.print shutdown, now tell how many results will come and how many times. How many results will be printed on the screen and how many times? You will see this will execute 5 times. After this, every time when this will execute, then this will also execute. So 5 times this. And then just after this will also execute 5 times. So your result will be like that. LFS front top, I have not changed the line. So just after that, RPT, and just after that, shutdown. And this will be total printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I mean to tell? I mean to tell this is called the for loop block. Anything you write complete program, you write set of statements. They will execute how many times? Till the end of the loop. Got it? Means how many times the loop will execute? This will be printed. Total execution will be this. Statements this much time. From here to here. Next. Now we will what do? We'll see the working of while loop. While and do while we will finish today, and we'll try to start the program. So we will be a little faster. For loop you are understanding. We will try to convert for loop into while loop with the while loop concept. See, for loop is using one more time. For loop is using initial value, condition value, and updation value. This is the for loop format, and these are the statements. Now see, every looping statement will use this and this. Only their writing pattern will be changed. In for loop, they are written in one line. Now we'll take the example of while loop. While loop, hello. While loop is most preferred looping statement by the programmer. Usually, the beginners use the for loop, but as they get the idea about the while loop, they normally use the while loop. Why? When slowly you will come to know. Especially while loop is used for the programs. Understand? While loop is used for the program which we cannot predict how many times it should execute. If you have idea that my program will execute this much time, to better use for loop. But if you have no idea how much time our program will be executing, so you should use while loop. Normally this difference we tell or we consider. One more time. For loop is used for the programs where we have an idea and prediction that this particular program will be executed this much time. While loop says I will be used at the place where in the program I am not sure how much time I have to execute. Got it? Then that place while loop is used. But important thing is that while loop will also use this initial condition and updation value. How they use? You cannot write this way. While many students try to write an examination, while initial value, condition and updation. भैया गलती से मत लिख दीजिएगा. This is a wrong pattern of using while. Got it? So what is the correct structure? This is the wrong. In 9th class, मुझे याद है, I have got 3-4 copies of some sections among you all. You had written this way the while. Many of you, I cannot say few of you, have understood while loop and for loop in the same structure. So dear students, please make difference now. For loop will be used. This is the criteria of using for loop, and while loop this is not. So what is the correct criteria? While loop first use initial value. After that, while loop block start with condition. And it will not be ended with semicolon. It should have a block. And in the block, statement should be there. With this statement, updation statement also will be there. Now see, we have covered all types of base statements. See how this is the initial value, initial value. This is the condition value, condition value. This is the updation value, updation value. As we had used in for loop, same way we can use it while loop. Only placing differences there. How you can place it? Got it? Now see, we will take the example just here. Initial value means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is initial value. Condition value, this is. And what is the escape value or updation value? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now what will you do? You will write this way, initial value 1, after that 5, after that 1, plus 1. What is it mean? It means integer I equal to 1. Initial is done. After that, while I is less than equal to 5, condition is done. After that block, and in the block I equal to I plus 1 is done. This way we have done the same program as we are done here. See, and here you can write the statement system.out.print lfs. Now see the execution of this. Visible to everyone what I have written? Not very small. Font size is okay. Because from my side it is visible. But one can assure me is it visible or not. Okay? Thank you. Now see, we are going to start execution. You see here. I is initialized with 1. Means I is a loop variable. I is a what? Loop variable. And here I will be initialized. Initialized means पहली value दी जाएगी. Every time keep in mind what is the use of initialization. The first value that is given to a variable. So I will receive first value as 1 as the starting point. After that, this value is passed here this way. I is coming with the value 1 and it is compared. 1 is less than equal to 5. If it is true, is it true or not? 1 is less than 5. True? 1 is less than 5. Yes or no? Hey, someone nod your head. Means shake your head something. No. पल्ले नहीं पड़ रहा है. Good. Rajvardhan, is it okay? Are you starting my sound just now? That I said. Oh my God. Siddhant, is it okay? Good. So what is happening here? See, this 1 is less than 5. Condition is true. Due to true condition, the control will come inside the block, and in the block, LFS is given, so LFS is printed on the screen. Suppose we have printed LFS. After printing LFS, control will come here, and I will be updated by 1. So new value of I becomes 2. This 2 is transferred here again. This 2 is transferred here. 2 is less than 5. Yes or no? 2 is less. Again come back and it is printed LFS second time. Again what happens? This I that was 2. Now 2 plus 1 will be done. New value of I becomes 3. How it is possible? Because it is a variable. So variable every time will take a new value. The memory that will always able to contain a new value. So value is getting updated and new value is saved in the memory of I. So what is happening here? 3. The new value of I will be transferred for condition check. 3 is less than 5. Still yes. Due to S, LFS again is printed. Then this will be 3 plus 1, that is last value of I and new value updated 4. 4 is transferred back to the condition check. Now it will check like this. 4 is less than 5. One more time correct. Coming here, printing LFS. Then 4 plus 1 is done. 4 plus 1 is done. And after that, it is getting 5. 5 less than equal to 5. Less than? No. Equal to 5? Yes. That's why again control will move for block and LFS is printed 5th time. Then finally what happens? This is updated with 5. 5 plus 1. This is becoming now I value 6. 6 is called here this for the condition check. And due to this what happening? 6 is less than 5? No. 6 is equal to 5? No. So control will go outside of this. This way control loop, control block, loop block will be terminated. Got it? नहीं पल्ले पड़ा बहुत अच्छी बात है. I will tell you another time. Means one more time. Got it? So let's start one more time in a bigger way. Means clearing the screen. Now see again. Now the question is changed. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now series is changed. Same loop, series changed. So we will do this program two ways. One using for loop, second parallel by while loop. So for loop and while loop. You have to make the comparison which is easier for you. You can adopt anyone in the examination. If especially not said. See, in for loop first we have to predict the starting point. Starting point, that is initial value. This is the ending value. See, got it? Okay now? Now we are what doing? We are going to for integer I equal to 2, I is less than equal to 10. Here I equal to. Now see, starting value, initial value, condition value, and the difference is +2, +2, +2, and +2. So what is the similarity? How they are proceeding +2 bytes. So what will you do? You will write here I +1 will not be correct. So what will you do? You will update it. Now see what is happening. As we have seen the sequence of statements. See, system.out.print. If I print I, now see the working. First, this statement will execute. Second, this will execute. Third, this will execute. Fourth, this will execute. Start execution. I will be initialized with 2 coming here. I is less than 10. 2 is less than 10. Shake your head. Yes or no? Yes. Means this condition is going to be true. Due to this, third statement will execute I. Correct value of I becomes 2 is printed. After that, control will go back for updation. It is becoming like this. I equal to 2 plus 2. New value of I becomes 4. This 4 is transferred. See, 4 के बाद दूसरा step. Then 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 till the end of the program. So now what is happening? I is equal to 4. It is coming here. 4 is less than equal to 10. Yes or no? Yes? Say yes. Due to this, control gets true, and due to true condition, control come inside of the block and print 4 just after. Send control back for updation, and it is done this way. 4 plus 2. 4 is the last value, plus 2 is the new adding value, means updation value. And this is becoming now 6. Now 6 is transferred here. 6 is less than 10, condition true, coming here again printing 6. After that, go back for updation. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is less than 10, yes, comes here, 8 is printed. Then what is happening finally? 8 plus 2. How much? 10. This is the new value of the I. Then what is happening? This is transferred here. 10 is less than 10? No. 10 is equal to 10? Yes. That's why coming here and printing 10. Then what happens? Again control set back, and it is done plus 2. And due to this plus 2, it is becoming 12 as the new value of I. And then what is happening? This I is transferred here, 12 less than 10. Yes or no? Surely not. 12 will never be less than 10, not equal to 10. So condition will be false. Now due to false, control will not be go inside, but will be terminate the loop. Terminate the loop means comes outside of the block. So what will be the result? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Got it? Understood? If you are understanding this program this way, so hold down, same program with a little different way. Again, follow, mind it. Dear students, you have to consider the logic, but you have not to learn. 2, 4, 6, 8 दिया है तो 3, 6, 9 आएगा तो we will change the program. Don't try to measure change the program. With minimum change, your program should execute. It is possible. See how. You will get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times the result is going to print? How many results are printing? 5 now? 5? Sure now? 5. So you do one thing. Using for loop, one thing you have done, okay, 100% correct in examination, you will get full marks. But for every such programs, it is not a correct. So how will you do? Simple. How many results are there? You keep in mind. How many results? 5. So you start your loop with 1 will go up to 5 times. कितनी बार लूप चलेगा? How many times the loop will run? Obviously 5 बार. Sure ना? Everyone? 5 रिजल्ट 1 2 3 4 5 रिजल्ट के लिए तैयार हो गया. What? Loop. Clear? Up few will say, sir, you have written wrong. Why? Because I have not declared integer array. So chalo I have declared. Any problem? Here any problem? Just compare. This was also correct, but I am telling the logic that will work on any such program. Increment or decrement. Clear na? Just compare what changing is there. Now see, what is the starting value? Starting value is what? For the series. 2. So you do one thing. Here, integer I, take a variable a and initialize the initial value as 2. Because first value is the length. And then what will you do? You print it. System.out.print a. Okay? Please watch the program carefully. What I have written. I will ask a question to anyone randomly. Have seen? Your time starts 10 seconds. To see the program carefully. One Aditya. Unmute yourself. Gayab. Janasi Tiwari. Unmute yourself. Not able to unmute. Okay, Ujala, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Ujala is there.
Yes.
Ujala, you will tell me what is going to print and how many times this loop will execute.
Sir, 5 times.
5 times what will be printed? इतना हार्ड तो नहीं है. Anmol. Yes, Anmol.
Sir, the loop will run 5 times.
What will be printed?
Sir, value of a will be printed.
What is the value of a?
2.
So 5 times 2 will be printed. Any doubt to anyone? Are you execute?
No,
see, first time I value will be 1. So 2 will be printed. After that, I will increase for 2. Again, 2 will be printed. I am not changing the value of a. I am not printing I. So what result will come? 5 times loop will go. A will be printed. That is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 times. Simple. If I write here, see here. Then what will be printed? You tell. Obviously, a into a 5 times. That is 4. 2 into 2, 4 will be printed 5 times, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, like that. Same way, see here, with the minor change. How many times it will be printed? 15 times. Confirm now? Now you are able to guess with the related loop, the result is going to what? Now main point. I want to print here this series, the starting value I have printed. Now you will mind the differences of +2. So what will you do? You will call a just after printing, and you will add this way, a +2. Okay, that is enough. If you are not understanding this I am going to remove. Any problem here in this logic? This logic is clear to all. I have to explain this logic. This is much better than this. It will work for any program of series. See how. If you are not understanding the working of this, so you just mind how many times the loop will execute? 5 times. So value of I will be first time 1, second time 2, third time 3, fourth time 4, fifth times 5. This is the value of I. So we have not to see the use of I. What is I have to execute 5 times? Let it go. No problem. We have to focus on A because it is going to print this result. So what we will do, see, value of A is 2. So 2 is printed. 2 is printed. 2 is printed. Just after that, this statement is written. So this statement means last value of 2 will be updated with 2 addition, and new value becomes 4. This first process over. After first process, the result is coming 2 and the new value of A becomes 4. Next process. In next process, when I becomes 2, this value will be the new value of A. And just after that, this A will be added with 2. So new value of A becomes 6. अब देखिए how you are going to confuse yourself. You are saying, sir, यहाँ से यहाँ कैसे 6 हो गया? How it will be? Simply you see, this is another statement. A statement changing is there. Another statement. This will execute, then this will execute. कि पहले ये execute होगा. Which will execute? This one or this one? This one, na? So same way I have written here. First value of A, second value of A. Now this is the third value of A. Just after that, this will be updated. 4 plus 2. Now it is getting 6. This 6 is called here in the third time, and after this 6 plus 2 is added as a new value. Then what happens? This 8 is coming here as a fourth value, and it will be updated by 2, 10. And last time this will be 10 and this will be 12 by adding 2 in 10. This will be the termination of block. So this way our program is working. Now focus. We have to not worry about this execution. Let the execution go. If I have to change the series 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. कितनी बार चल रहा है? How many times? 5 बार. How many results are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आपको लूप में मेजर चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not to do major change in the loop. Loop is already going 5 times. Let it be. What to focus? Initial value. Initial value is how much? 3. That's it. Initial value is 3. What is the difference? Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus 3. So what to do here? 3 is initialized. Now you will find here A3 is printed and 3 is updated. That's it. 3 is updated. So see, 5 result आ गया, updation हो गया and printing हो गया. That's it. So you will not focus the starting point, ending point, updation. No, this is wrong way doing series programs or any program like this. So what to focus? How many results are there on the screen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start with 1 up to 5 and focus on initial value in another variable, print it, update it. Like this. I give you examples. This you will practice in your copy. You have copy and pen. So please practice with this program. 1, 2, 3. See, Miss chart is with you. Program is here. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Focus on number of results. Don't focus on how to start, how to end. No. Focus on number of results. Do the program fast. Arpit Pandya has done. First, Pratishtha Ghosh has raised hand. So first Arpit, then Pratishtha. Yes, Arpit.
Good morning, sir.
Tony, have you done this?
Yes, sir. Only we have to change that a equals to 3 in upper part. We have to
Already there. And
sir, in that after system.out.println, where a equals to a plus 3, we have to write a equals to a plus 2.
very good. And any or one more change is there? See carefully the result.
Sir, that condition I is greater than equal to 6, so there will be.
Good. Plus this one.
Yes, sir.
Pratishtha, have you done same way?
Yes, sir. I've done the same way.
So can I give it one more program for practice?
So I was telling that before this question, which series you have given, that we can do in one more way also.
One more way.
Yes, sir.
You can do.
And 3, 6, 19, 12, we have given that. So we can also do A is
I know table. I am coming on that. I am coming on that. Okay. Is it okay for all? Can I remove it?
yes.
Okay. Now, without wasting time, we will try to start the program slowly with the lower level to complex level. And the first program of lower level for you all, how to print the table of a given number. Any number is given, taken from the keyboard. For example, suppose I am taking 4. And you are said find out the table. So table का मतलब है 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16 like that. So how will you do this? See, you will write 4 8 12 16 20 likewise 40. So this way you will not write. This way you will not write. And I have said don't focus on starting and ending value. Always try to focus on number of results. How many results will come on the screen? Tell me. Okay, let me find some hand. Arpit and Pratishtha, you unmute yourself. Pulkit, Dipesh, Saksham, Anadi Dubey. 4 students, I have made them unmute. Question is, how many times the result will be printed?
10 times.
10 times.
10 times, you are not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So total number of result is 10. Let me start our loop. Number is n. So we will do this way. Class table.
Sir, we can take it in void main and ask it from the user that which table we want. Yes, sir.
Class also. And
Yes, sir.
now see.
Sir, we will
How many times we should do 10 times? So focus on number
sir
of
for I is equal to integer I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Yes, sir.
This is the program. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Here I will give you 10. Please mind, students, try to understand the logic. This side. This is the number we have taken for which and question was there, how many times this was taken? They are talking. Please mind question. Now what should be written here?
Say system dot out dot print ln a n.
Dot out dot print ln then
N. Yes, sir. So then and then
n equals to
n equals to
n plus 4.
very good.
No, sir, it's wrong.
Those who are unmute, muted, all. The question is, if you are following this logic here, will it work for every number we will give from the keyboard? Suppose one time I give 4, so okay, no problem. But next time I am giving 8, is it going to work with 8 also? No. We are going 6 to give, it will not work. So what is the one program that will work for each value for finding the table? We will not write this. We will try to understand how we will do it. Suppose this is the number. Normally when we dictate the table, so we do like this: 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 10 12. This way we do. Now you focus, these all will be constant. This, which is a given number, and this is the increasing number that is going to change every time. So focus on these two numbers. Who is going to constant? 4. Who is going to change? 1 2 3 4. So you in this loop find this is going to be changed 1 to 10 times. So you call this way n, that is unchanged number, into I, n into I. Now you are going to do what? You are going to multiply this unchanged number with the changed number. So every time what will happen, see, this I am going to explain. I will execute, and this is n into I. Now see, first time I will be 1, n will be 4. 4 into 1, 4. Second time I will be 2. So 4 into 2, 8. Third time this 4 will be same and is not going to change, into I, that is 3. So what will be there? 12. Next time 4. So 4 will be multiplied with 4. This is the n and this is I. N and I. So it will be 16. Now you do one thing. This is n. At the place of n, you give 6. It is automatically changed. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. It will be changed. You give another value 16. 16 table will be there. You give another value 160. 160 table will be there. So this kind of program logic is needed. If change say, you can convert your program in any kind of given program. See, with one change, total program will change. With one minor change, value of n, one time I was giving 4, next time I was giving 8. One time it will give the table of 4, second time 8. But this logic will work on every program. One more suggestion for you all. Don't do it directly here. The good practice is there. When you have to perform any calculation, try to take the use of a variable. So you do one thing, integer p. You call p here n into I. So there will be very less chance of any system error, system result error, and you will also be able to keep your values somewhere in the memory. So this way, what you can do, you print P. You want to make the format of this. This is not the correct way of printing result. You can print this. System.out.print log n plus multiplied sign plus I plus equal to plus P. This is the correct way of printing result. Do you know what is going to happen? See how it is going to print. Suppose n you are taking 4, so it will print 4. This is the multiplication sign. This is I means 1 first time. And now what is happening? Equal to P is what? P is this 4 into 1. So this way with the message, your result will be in the table format. This way you can make your table format on the screen. Next value will be there 4 into I value will be 2 plus P will be 8. So this way your result will be printed. Now it is up to you. You want to just say you want the result or you want to do it in a better way, in the formatted way. So this is the formatted style of the printing result. Got it? Okay, now your turn for queries. Kriti. Yes, sit down. Those who are not Kriti, any queries?
Sir, for answer I will.
Which answer? Okay. Krishna Yadav. Yes.
Sir, to ask so that I value updated first with P is equal to n into 1. So that so I will first be multiplied with 1 or 2 because
Again, ask a question. Let me put the
Sir.
figure here, then you tell. Now tell.
first value is I is equal to 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And so then I plus plus is there.
Listen. This is first statement will execute in this loop. This is second one. After that, this will execute this way. Then we'll return back. Then I will be updated. One more time. This is the first statement of the loop will execute. This is the second statement. After that, this loop block will execute as a third statement. Then fourth one. Now you consider your question.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now
Thank
okay.
you. Yes, sir.
See, I will be 1, I is coming, n is 4, 4 into 1, 4, printing with the result. After that, going there, I will be 2 now, and this 2 is coming here for checking condition. Means this will be checked here, then will come inside, will print the result, will back for updation. Again, will check the condition, will come inside, will back for updation, will check condition like this. Got it? Aryan,
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir, I wanted to ask why after the checking of value, the program comes and out and first prints the value and then again goes to update.
Be a little louder. After
Sir, I was asking why after the checking of value, I is less than or equal to 10.
where this condition you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, after that, why the program comes out and then prints the value, then goes for updation.
Okay. The for loop is what? The for loop has to work this way. It has to start with the initial value, checking condition. It has the procedure of working or syntax is like that. All statements are written in the same way. No problem. But the procedure of working is there that has been already defined that it has to initialize value first and check the condition. If the condition is true, understand, Aryan, don't be confused here. अगर condition सही है तो ही आएगा. Otherwise, it has not compelled to come inside the block. It will go outside. Got it? One thing. Second thing is there. If I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, it is less than 10. So this is the first condition, second condition, and after this condition is true, so this loop block has to execute. This I am not telling. This I am not telling. This is the concept or syntax or procedure of working. This is the procedure of loop working, for loop working. Got it? This way the for loop has to work. Why it is coming? Because its definition was given like this. So now we are what doing? We are trying to understand the working of that first statement, second statement, then block run, then updation, then second update. You can also ask, sir इसमें क्यों नहीं जा रहा? तो ये बताइए, हर बार स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे जाएगा तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेगा? How will it go forward? Simple. So same way, that is the procedure of working, and procedure of working says it has to initialize, check the condition, block statement run, then updation. Again condition, block statement, updation, condition, block statement. That's why in the starting only I have changed this, means told you the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. This is initial, condition, block statement, and updation. This will be after the first run out. Then only condition, block statement, updation. Condition, block statement, updation. This way it continues. Is it okay?
Thank you, sir.
Any more query? Okay, so again, in next session, I will give you some homework. This session I'm not giving. In next session, let me explain 1 or 2 more programs. Then I'll give you some examples or some questions to do it. Okay. So thank you for being with me. Have a nice day to all.